Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a review unboxing of a new gadget called Universal Remote Control, made for our smartphones with jack 3.5mm. Let's take a look at this big package. It says you can use the infrared control for TVs, speaker systems, projectors and other many things. This is the transmitter, IR infrared. At the back we found some specifications and it says that you have to download the finger control or UVC RC Cam app. It can be used at Android and iOS, and I'm gonna show you how it works. We open the box and get the keychain. It's very small. We extract it, and this is the infrared transmitter for the jack 3.5mm, Android and iOS, and the keychain for save it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it works. There I have my iPhone 4S. We put it on the jack port and nothing happens. Okay, I have downloaded the app Fingertip for the iOS system, and let's take a look. Okay, there I am. There's my audio Sony system and there is my iPhone 4S. I have plugged the ear transmitter and nothing happened. We unlock our iPhone, download the Fingertip app, there we have, and there we found different things to connect: television, satellite, DVD, fan, audio system and others. How to connect it? First of all, as you can see there, my transmitter, you will see, sorry for the bad quality, a red mark. You have to swipe it, in the example of my 4S, to the microphone. You will see the screen and how I swipe this red mark. You see? And it will be connected. You saw it? I swipe to the left, disconnected. Swipe to the right, okay, connected. Now I'm gonna search automatically the audio system of Sony. We select audio, search the brand, we have S Sony, and click on it, wait, and it will be automatically pirate. Now there you have the buttons, select power. As you can see, it turned on. There you have some music, volume minus. As you can see, there's a LED inside to show volume minus. You see it, volume plus, and all the remote control there is. Stop menu, different things. Okay, now I'm gonna show you in my television. Turn off and let's go. Okay, there I am again, and there I have my iPhone. We unlock it. We go to the app Fingertip. Be sure that it's connected with the red mark, as you can see. Connect accessory. We swipe and it says connected. Okay. Sony audio. Okay, I have two Sony audios. It will search automatically. Now I show you how to search your television. Add remote television, search your brand. Mine is Samsung. Samsung, okay, and it will search automatically. Okay, there we have the remote control. as you can see. Okay, turn on. And there you have, for example, volume minus, there you see, volume plus, other channel, there you can see, yeah, more buttons, there we have buttons channel 1.
Ha detenido a dos jóvenes de 20 y 27 años como presuntos responsables de la oleada de robos.
You see, it works very good. I will put the buy link at the description, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel for next videos, and see you soon. Bye bye.